Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be checking out the Superchips TrailDash2 built for your 2018 to 19 JL Wrangler. Now, Superchips has been around for a very long time and they are one of the industry leaders in tuning devices. The Superchips TrailDash2 is no exception. It features a ton of built-in features as well as the ability to modify a lot of the parameters in your Jeep after you've lifted it, added different axles, and a bunch of other cool things. We're gonna get it plugged into our 2018 JL Wrangler and show you guys just how some of those features work, as well as show you if this is the right tool for you. So we're inside the Jeep and we've got the TrailDash2 mounted up here. Now, this isn't where you're gonna wanna drive with it. It's right in the center of my line of vision, but for you guys at home, this is gonna be the easiest way for you guys to be able to see. Basically, you just get a suction cup mount like you would any cell phone mount, put it anywhere on the dash or the windshield that you like that's a nice, secure, and safe location, and then plug it into the OBD2 port and you're good to go. So first thing comes up is a little warning, so we're gonna hit no to that. Okay, so now guys, we're seeing a little bit here on some of the instructions, but we've got the gauges pulled up, so that's a pretty cool thing. So right here guys, we've got all the gauges up. You can actually go through and change all these and monitor any parameter you like. See, I'll click on this last one here. It'll select new parameter to monitor. So we'll click on that. And let's just do, let's do the intake air temp. Let's just do that. And then we'll exit the menu here. And there you see, it popped right up there. So we're gonna actually fire this up and show you guys exactly what all this looks like while the Jeep is running. So right here, if you can hear me, the RPMs, let's see if those work. Works good. The engine temps are working, battery voltage. Got the knock sensor down there. Everything looks to be working. Miles per gallon up there, miles per hour corrected. So pretty cool to be able to go through and monitor all that at one time. But overall, guys, there is a literal metric ton of things you can do to this. Here's a complete layout modifier. If you scroll up on here, you've got performance settings, records, data logging, performance testing, diagnostics, mileage coach, maintenance manager, settings for add-on lights and other things like that. This Superchips TrailDash is one of the greatest things you can add on to your Jeep. Now as for me, I'm gonna continue to play with this Superchips TrailDash2 and really just dive into it, figure out everything that I can do to our JL Wrangler. Now if you guys are interested in a tuning device, the Superchips TrailDash2 is a little bit more expensive. However, it's a super clean install and it looks great when it's done. It'll match the interior of your JL perfectly. If you guys wanna check it out, as well as many other tuning options for your JL Wrangler, be sure to go to cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here. And for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.